So this is exactly how I was able to fix my Rust Client.exe not responding and crashing error. So what I had to do firstly is to just go into Steam here, and then on library I had to find my Rust game and then just right click on it. Then you're gonna click on manage and click on browse local files. And then you should be taken to this page right here, as you can see. Now in here just click on Rust and then right click on it and then click on show more options. Click on properties and you can see this page right here. This is the application.exe here. Then we need to click on compatibility. And for some reason I had this one enabled here, run this program in compatibility mode. So just disable this one and then click on apply, click on OK. We need to also do it the same for the Rust client here. So I'm just going to click on it and then right click here and then click on show more options. And then properties and then compatibility, and then just disable this one as well and click on apply and click on OK. So once you have done this, there is still one more thing we need to do, and that is to go back to this page here and then just right click on Rust and then click on properties here, as you can see. And then on installed files, make sure to click on verify integrity of installed files. And then when this one is done here, what you also need to do is to completely restart your PC. So just completely restart it afterwards, and then when you're done, go back and try once again. Hopefully, as it has done for me, this completely fixed it for me, it will hopefully fix it for you as well.